Good morning, everyone. I'm back with another Python practice breakdown video. Today, I am on Data and Motions Week 16, Problem 1, coding question. I do leave the link to Data and Motion down in my description in case you guys want to check it out for yourselves. So let's go ahead and get started. The instruction is, given a list, create a variable called answer, which is a new list containing the first letter of each name in the list. So as you can see, I already created my skeleton with my solution function and my main that contains my test case for making sure the code is working correctly. So let's go ahead and get started. As you see, we are returning a variable called answer. So I'm going to start with that. At the bottom here, I'm going to return answer. And then after I have that answer returned here, I'm going to go up and create the logic for the variable answer. So as you can see, it says that we want the first letter in each string to be added to the variable answer as a new list. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do list comprehension there, and it's just creating the list but making the syntax a little shorter, and it's contained in one line. So we want the first letter in each name. So we're going to say name, and we're going to pass the index 0, and that will give us the first letter. So we want that for each name in the provided list. And that is about it. That is our solution for this problem. It's straightforward. Next, all we have to do is test this solution function to make sure it is working correctly. And I'll do that at the bottom here. And there you have it. Let me know how you guys what about solving this solution. Let me know if you have any tips for me. Like and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.